How to e-file Form 1099 NEC 2025. Filing taxes can be confusing, and most people get 1099 NEC reporting wrong. Here's how to e-file it correctly in 2025. Step 1. Gather all independent contractor information, including names, addresses, and tax identification numbers. Step 2. Choose an approved e-filing service or software. Most people get this wrong by using unverified platforms, which can cause errors or delays. Step 3. Input the payment information for each contractor. Box 1 on the form is for known employee compensation. You won't believe what happens next. The software automatically calculates totals and flags missing information. Step 4. Review and submit electronically before the ERS deadline, usually January 31. You'll receive confirmation when the ERS accepts your submission. Step 5. Provide copies to contractors, either electronically or by mail. E-filing reduces mistakes, and many services allow bulk submissions for multiple recipients. Following these steps ensures compliance and avoids penalties in 2025. The surprising truth is that e-filing is faster, safer, and more reliable than paper filing for 1099 NEC forms.